presence our special guest of honor, our keynote speaker, friends from the media, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Good evening to everybody. I stand before you today as the president of this esteemed university, filled with an immense pride and honor as we gather here to celebrate the sterling achievements of a legal luminary, Professor Justice retired Samuel Kofi Dateban. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this special lecture series dedicated to exploring the captivating topic of, quote, copyright law in the age of artificial intelligence, challenges and prospects for Ghana, end of quote. Today, we pay tribute to Professor Justice retired Samuel Kofi Dateban, whose impactful contributions in the field of law have been nothing short of extraordinary. His unwavering dedication, profound knowledge, and relentless pursuit of excellence in the academic project, as well as the Supreme Court jurisprudence, have left an indelible mark on the legal profession in Ghana and beyond. Today, we are privileged to have you with us, sir. And we eagerly look forward to listen to words of wisdom and insights from and about you. I am delighted to acknowledge the presence of an esteemed dignitary who has graced this event with his presence today, in the person of Dr. Kwaku Ajiman-Budu, who is the Dean of the Gimpa Law School. Dr. Budu, you are welcome, sir. I am also privileged to introduce and acknowledge the presence of Professor's partner, who has accompanied Professor Dateban. Madam, Mrs. Dateban, you are welcome. You are welcome to this event. The presence of these distinguished personalities further underscores the significance of this event and the importance of the topic at hand. Their expertise and experience will undoubtedly enrich our deliberations and provide invaluable perspectives on the challenges and prospects of copyright law in the age of artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, this lecture series provides a platform for legal scholars, legal practitioners, policymakers, and other stakeholders to come together and engage in a meaningful dialogue about the contemporary challenges and opportunities that shape the legal landscape in our beloved nation, Ghana. It is through such intellectual discourse that we can collectively navigate the complex interface of law and technology, ensuring that our contemporary legal frameworks remain relevant and resilient in this rapidly evolving era. Chairman of Council, today's topic at hand, copyright law in the age of artificial intelligence, is of paramount importance in our increasingly digitized world. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, it is imperative that we critically examine the challenges and prospects that arise in the realm of copyright law. Artificial interruption has taken the power away from me. Yeah. I think it's better now. All right. Technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace. It is imperative that we critically examine the challenges and prospects in the realm of copyright law. Opportunities administration justice adapt to these changes, fostering see, we will examine how AI impact the creation, distribution, and protection. Okay, I hope. Right. I'll take that sentence again. Throughout this lecture series, we will also examine how AI tools impact the creation, distribution, and protection of intellectual property. And we seek to identify innovative solutions that can propel Ghana's legal landscape forward. Chairman, and the distinguished speakers that would come to speak today. And indeed, all those who have contributed in making this lecture series a reality. To the participants, I encourage you to act and foster it is through collaboration and collective effort that we can shape a legal landscape that is responsive, inclusive, and forward-thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I extend a warm Wisconsin welcome to each and every one of you, especially to our students. May this lecture series be a source of inspiration, enlightenment beyond here. Together, let us embark on this intellectual journey as we strive to navigate the challenges and embrace the prospects of copyright law in the age of artificial intelligence. Thank you, and I wish us all a successful and discussion.
Thank you, Professor Miracle, for that illuminating address. Just in case you are wondering who I am Dr. Olalekun Moyosore Lalude, a lecturer at the Wisconsin International University College, Kumasi campus. And before we go to the introduction of the guest of honor, by the Dean of the Faculty of Law, WIUC, Accra campus, I would like to acknowledge some very important people who are here with us today. I would like to acknowledge the presence of the Council Chairman, Justice Dose, and also the President of the Wisconsin International University College, Professor Obeng Miracle. The Registrar, Joel Idon Aqua. And then the Dean of the Faculty of Law, Dr. Peter Wiredu. We also would like to acknowledge the presence of our amiable HOD Law Faculty, Professor Edmond Kwao. And then finally, but not the least, the Dean of the School of Business, Dr. Bright Mawodo. Thank you for gracing this very intellectually inspiring occasion. And at this very point in time, we would like to go to the introduction of the guest of honor by Dr. Peter A. Wiredu, the Dean of the Faculty of Law, WIUC.
Chairman of the Wisconsin International University Council, Mr. Justice Isaac Dose, a retired Court of Appeal judge, President of the university, Professor Obeng Miracle, the Registrar of the university, our special keynote speaker, Dr. Ajiman Budu of the Gimpa Law Faculty, deans and HODs of departments, HOD of the Faculty of Law, Professor Edmond Kwao, fellow lecturers, members of the Inky fraternity, students, ladies and gentlemen, all protocols observed. Good evening to you all. I deem it a privilege and indeed a singular honor to be called upon of honor for this evening's public lecture, which is essentially being held by Wisconsin in honor of a retired Supreme Court. The name of our special guest of all renowned and legendary in Ghana's legal academia landscape and the administration of justice at the highest level of the country. Beyond the Ghanaian jurisdiction, Professor Justice Datiba has also carved a huge niche for himself in the world of law. This evening's forum cannot and does not offer us the opportunity to provide a full profile of our special guest of honor. That will mean churning out volunteers on the legal luminary we are privileged to listen. In the circumstances, I can only give the briefest of his background for this occasion. Professor Justice Samuel Kofi Datiba entered Achimota School from the Ekropon Salem Presby Middle Boarding School, Ekropon Ekwapim, in 1956. From Achimota, he entered the University of Ghana in 1962, graduating with a first-class honors Bachelor of Laws degree in 1965. Being the first student ever to obtain a first-class degree in law of the University of Ghana. He immediately proceeded he immediately proceeded to the Ghana School of Law, where he successfully completed the one-year professional legal training program. He, however,